So here, I'm going to teach you how to make hot chocolate. And I use water for the Tetra mix, and you can use water or milk. So now it's time to put the hot chocolate mix. You can add marshmallows or whipped cream, but now you gotta stir it up. Oh no. Oh no. Hold on. Luckily, paper towels are really good for this. Now you just go to the trash over here and then flip a paper towel with. Now get my attempt to make. We're mixing it, and I think that's good. I think it needs kind of one more mix until we don't see that white anymore, I think. Then it's good. Now time to put this in the sink. And now time to add marshmallows or whipped cream. Open the marshmallows. This is the really fun part. Does that look like hot chocolate? I'm gonna add a few more to make it look look good. Go look good when it's done. And there you go, we're done. So here we have nicely made hot chocolate. Man, I think I got a little of it. Chocolate. Please like and subscribe to Glayson's World, and comment what was your favorite part about the video. And this is only for people that need to learn how to make hot chocolate by themselves. So, bye. Please like and subscribe and share to somebody who needs to learn how to make hot chocolate. And remember, always put the mix in when it's done out of the microwave. So, bye!